You can hop out and take a video if you want to. It won't hurt you. Down the Levels Road.
Right, it's not dust on the road.
I don't know, it looks like it's going straight up there, but it might be a great whirlwind, but I'm not real sure.
Yeah, well listen, I'll have to go over and get him to drive down the road.
No, it might be a whirlwind, just hang on a bit.
Alright.
Maybe someone down at Fullerton can see it better. Like a bloody tornado.
Yeah, it does. I'm trying to zoom in, but I can't see very good on the screen here. Hard to see if it's moving or not. Is it spinning?
It's spinning all right.
Is it?
How far down do you think it is, Chris? Over?
I think it's a great big whirlwind. It's going right up into the clouds.
Yeah, how far down?
It's down about Romlo, Kentucky.
Alright, right, okay, yep.
You see it funneling right up into the clouds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see what you mean. I can see it from here.
No, it's been a big whirlwind. By jeez, it's been a big one though, and it's gone. It's sort of gone, but it's still, it looks like sort of partially smoke, but I think it's mainly dust.
Yeah, it is disappearing.
That's coming back again.
No, it's coming back again there.
I better go and get Alan, Chris.
I'll be back up there in the next 10 minutes.
Well, do you want to come back up and look, or do you want me to go and get him?
That's a small huntsman spider. There's my finger. It scared me. Chilling out. It'll catch that fly that's in the room. Oh, there you are.
Hey there.
You're cute. Oh.
I got plenty of pictures for
Oh, the other ones are in the cage, are they? I gotta go, buddy. Thanks. There they go.
And they took off fast. Man, did they ever take off fast?
They move, man.
Did they leave?
No, they're still there. There's quite a few. Oh, there's one hopping away. Oh, now they're all going.
Oh man. They're gone now. Man, they hop crazy.
They're very fast. I didn't think they would be that fast. There must have been at least 10 there.
They're hopping away right now.
Stomping at
Stuck at the fence. Oh no, they're not quite the fence. You can sneak up on them. They're looking at us.
Yeah.
You got a real good zoom there.
They're not really big ones, they're nothing.